Hello, it's your boy Leverage Trading. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. This year we're gonna make more money and we'll live in health. All right. So the plan for this video is to show you this my trading plan. I've been working. I've been trying to achieve this last year, 2024, and I said, okay, let me make a video explaining the plan, how it works, because I made a post on it. I posted it on our Telegram channel. If you're not on our Telegram, please join the Telegram channel. You see it on the description below, and you will see I also post signals weekly. This is for prop firm, not for this trading plan. This trading plan is for your personal account, but the signal is for prop firm, or if you have a large account, because kind of the stop loss. So I posted last week some trades, and you can see we did about, I think we did about how many wins? We did about 9 wins and four losing trades. So that was profits. I think I made about $800, and this was like 2 weeks before Christmas. So if you want to get the signals, make sure you join the Telegram. So I'm gonna post on Monday. Every Monday I post the signals, and it's gonna be for the whole week about 17 pairs or 20 pairs. All right. Now the deal for this. Now this is for personal accounts, right? If you don't have this for like personal account, if you have and you need to have a good leverage and margin, like maybe 1,000 margin or 2,000 leverage. And if you don't have exness or ICM, you can, the link is on the description below. You can sign up there. And also, I'll be also uploading more videos regarding binary and the rest. But this plan, this is my goal for 2025. I don't have any other goal, than just this goal. $10. So I have friends, individual, they're not on social media, they've done this, but now I'm going to be showing you how we can do this together. And in the next video, I'm going to upload a strategy that I'll be using. I'll posting it on YouTube for free. So watch out for the video next, probably tomorrow or during the week. I'll post it most likely during the week or tomorrow. All right. So how to turn $10 to $1 million. Now, this is not those kind of plan whereby you just see like, okay, let me just explain, let me just go straight. So deposit $10 and risk 25%. The key here is risking 25%, and you must have if you're starting $10, your stop loss has to be a bit maximum. If you're trading gold, maximum 10 pip, no more than 10 pip, because if it's more than that, the calculation may not be correct. If you like 50 pip, the calculation will not be correct. So maximum of 10 pip stop loss. All right, so the target can be 1 hour, 2 hour, 10 hour, whatever hour you want. But the strategy I'm going to be showing you is going to be, I'll be showing you tomorrow is going to be like 10 hour targets, about maybe 40%, 80, 40 to 70% win rate, which is very good. All right, so deposit $10, risk 25%. So risking 25%, how to do calculation? You need I think you need those, let's say, I think Forex calculator, right? You need those Forex calculator to, okay, how am I writing? Let's just leave that so that the video will not get long. So you need Forex calculator, or if you have magic keys, you can purchase. And if you need, I'll send my link. You can use my link to purchase. All right. So how do we do this? You deposit $10, and I hope this video is not too long, about 4 minutes. Just I'm sorry. Let's go straight to the point. And we have about 4 or 5 stages. So stage one is $10 to $200. How we're gonna do it? You have successfully completed stage one. So how we're gonna do it is this: day one. Let's use day one. It might be day one. It might be 1 week. It might be 1 month. So depending on how long you achieve this plan. Now we are going to be risking 25%. Now, 25% doesn't mean that on four losing trades on $10, meaning you're going to lose your whole $10. No, that's wrong. On four losing trade, you remember, let me open my calculator. Let me just show you. Let me just show you something. Let me just show you something so you understand. because some people don't understand. Some might be using pop firm. 25% of $10 is 2.5. So minus 2.5. All right. So now you have, if you lose the first trade, and you're going to be left with 7.5. 7.5, you're going to be risking 25% of 7.5. All right. So times this, divided by 100 should be like 1 point, so you'll be risking 1.8. So each capital will be either plus or minus. It's going to be 25%. If you're losing, it's going to be reducing the amounts you would risk. Why? If you're winning, it's going to increase it as compounding, which is what we need. So just note, it takes about, for $10, it takes about maybe 6 to 7 or 8 losing trades in a row, to blow $10, which the strategy I'm going to show you, you have about 40, 80, 40, 70% win rate, which is at 4 out of 10, and it's about 10 hours. So it's going to be profitable. But with this, I just use 2 hours just for easy explanation for people to understand. So I'm not going to be counting the losses in between. I'm just going to be assuming we've achieved our goal. So remember, even if you have losing trades in between this stage one, you still have your capital going until you achieve $200. You will know that you are done on stage one, which is about 2,500%. All right. But the key here is you must not reduce the risk. You must maintain 25% risk on each capital increase or decrease. So I'm taking my time to explain it so that when you're following me with the plan, you know how you do this the same way I'm doing it. And I'm going to share video. And most likely, maybe I might be having live stream whereby you guys can watch me trade. I only trade London session. All right. So let's go. Let's assuming you achieve the stage one, which is $250. $200 is the target, but at $70, $170, you reach to 25% of it is about $42. So it's gonna give you extra more than 200, which is good, but we want 200, so the extra is good. So what do we do on stage two? You start with $100. So you had about 250 or 200, you start with 100. So you're going to withdraw 100. So you're going to be paying yourself at this stage. You withdraw 100 from stage one profit. In this stage, you target $2,000. So from $100, you're going to target $2,000. Now, $10 to 200, so you just zeros, same number of trades, same number of targets. It doesn't change. Okay, it's the numbers in dollars that will change, but it's the same target profit in percentage wise. That's 2,000 percentage, because you're risking 25%, because we're still risking 25%, achieving 2,000% growth. So, and at this stage, $100, $25, I'm just used to remember, even if you lose in between trade one, trade two, you still, like, for $100, you need to lose more than 20 losing trades in a row to blow it. That's for $100. But if at 150, maybe you'll be looking at maybe 25 losing trade or 20 something losing trade, but which with the strategy I'm going to show, you're gonna be at least profitable. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing you anything. Like, trading is risky. You might not trade where I'm trading it. Some people might do things out of their own discretion. All right. So note that it's not gonna be like straight winning trade in the old 8 trades. You have losing trades, but the thing is, you're not risking your whole capital. You're risking 25%. Remember, 25% on every losing trade. Every losing trade, $100. If you lose 25, that's $75. 25% of $75, that's what it's gonna risk. So if you're winning like that, so the target is gonna get to 2,500. Now stage two complete. Stage three, life is easier here. So now at stage three, you're gonna withdraw. See, you're gonna start with $500. So you already made about $2,000. Let's assume it's 2,000. Forget the 500, because you're targeting 2,000%. So once you get to 2K, you're done. So you're withdrawing 500, 1,005 to yourself and use 500 to risk the same way, the same strategy, the same risk reward. Your mindset, this is the psychology game. Your mindset has to be strong in this strategy. Now, in stage three is where things get interesting. As stage three life becomes easier, you begin stage three with $500 and the target is $10,000. Still the same risk. There's nothing different. Still the same number of risks. 2,000%, $25, 25% growth, $10,000. And at this stage, you can keep doing. So now, once you achieve 500 to 10K, you're good, man. So you can do this for like maybe 4 times, 6 times, 10 times to build confidence because now you want to go higher. But before you go higher, just do 500 to 10K, 500 to into on uncountable time or till you're confident in going higher. All right, so this is it. This $500 risk 25%. We're using 2 hours for this example. You can use 1, 3, 5, 10, whatever hour you wish to use. But the major thing is risking 25%. It takes you to the goal faster. All right, so at yes, $10,000. This is just extra. All right, stage four, the million plan. From this stage, before you risk 2K, you've done like $10,000. Maybe you've done like $10,000 about, let's say you've done like $10,000. That's 500 to $10,000. You've done like maybe 5 times. Let's say 5K, 5 times. That's 50K. So you withdraw 2K now from it. Even if you've done it just one time, you withdraw 2K. So you still have about 8K, right? So remember, before you get to stage four, make sure you do stage three, like till you're confident to go this because yeah, the numbers is going to tempt you. So I've gotten to stage three before, and yeah, I will not lie. I've gotten to stage three, and I lose some money, and I took my profit 1.5, and that's okay. I'm gonna start a new this year. I'm gonna start again to $10 to stage four and stage five. Now see stage four, the million plan from 2,000 to 1 million. Now in this stage four, it's $1 million plan. Remember, you do stage three until you're tired of making $10,000 weekly or daily, whatever time it takes you to achieve that. So you remove 2,000 from one of the profits to begin the stage four. Stage four is to use $2,000 to $50,000. Note, the numbers of trade won't change. Just stick to the 25% risk because that is the key. 25% risk is the key. But before you get to this stage, you remember your strategy. If your strategy is about 3 hours, at least make sure your strategy gives you 50% win rates. At least. All right. If it's about more than 3 hours, maybe 5 hours, make sure it gives you at least 40% win rate. If your strategy is about 1.5, 1 hour to 2 hours, at least 70% win rate is good. So anything other than that, this plan will not work. So before you attempt this, make sure the strategy you're going to use is working. So and I'm going to show you a strategy that gives you 40 to 70% win rate on 10 hour. All right. So note the numbers of trade won't change. Just stick to 25% risk per capita and and $50, 50,000. So 2K will get you 50K on stage four. Yeah, it's just like the $10 to 200 and the rest. So 2K is gonna get you to $50,000. I believe at this stage the number won't move you, right? You're not gonna be moved by the money you're making because you already stick to the psychology, and you already have that in your mind that this is just the percentage number. I'm not moved by numbers. If you can have a way where you hide the number you're making, fine. Just stick to the percentage wise. So now at stage six, stage four, this is it, 2K to 50K. So what would you do? At stage five, you will roll over 40K, meaning if you make 50K, you're going to remove 10K from it. So in case you lose stage five, you start all over again with 2K. So you don't even touch your previous profit, you just all over again with 2K. And remember, this plan, as you're getting to 1 million plan, you're paying yourself. So which makes it brilliant. All right. So this is my plan. I didn't copy from anybody. This is it. I'm giving out for free. All right. So if you want to, let's go straight out. Um, stage five. Stage five will be roll over $40,000 to, $40,000 to, okay, at stage five, you'll be rolling over $4,000 to 500K you made in stage four. So I probably wanted to say you roll over 40K. I don't know what I'm trying to explain here, but I know that this would be in a trade. You may want to use maybe 100 lots. So I was trying to explain at this stage, if you want to roll over, it might be 100 lots or 200 lots, so it might be one or two trades to achieve the 25% of the risk, or depending on the stop loss in PIP you're using. So at this stage, you're not in another level. Once achieve, you keep doing 200. No, for me, once you achieve $1 million, you just keep doing 2K to 1 million, 2K to 1 million. You don't have to go back again to. Okay, that's why I try to wrote here. Like I try to write 2,000 instead of 200. So sorry for the typos. This way, focus on the plan, not just trading without a plan. So this way, it makes us to have a plan when we're trading. We're not just trading for trading sake. We need to get a strategy, win rates properly, and we have a plan where we're focusing on, and this way your mind is on a go. Remember, when you have a focus on what you're doing, trading becomes like a game, which is true. So this is where at at this point, you can use 20K of the 50K you made on stage four to roll over it. The same trade, just use 20K, roll over it is gonna give you 1.1 million. So it's not even 40K. So it was not supposed to be 40K. Yeah, it was not supposed to be 40K. Where I wrote it, where did I write that? Where did I write that? Anyway, so at stage five, you're gonna roll over 20K from the 50K you made at stage four. So you made 50K at stage four. Just take out 20K out of it and roll over it. So just within two stages, you achieve $1 million. So this is it. So this is just the plan. Nothing. It's very straightforward. Please subscribe on the channel. Turn on the bell notification. I'll be releasing a strategy tomorrow. Please make sure you join it and join our Telegram channel. Follow me on Twitter, and I'll be posting more content like this. Also, if you like to want me to teach you. Though I will share my strategy tomorrow, the week, and it's gonna be my strategy. But there may be a few things you don't understand, and you want me to teach you privately. Fine, you can meet me up. I'll teach you privately, and also I'm gonna be having live session whereby those that I'm teaching privately will be seeing my live trade. Where I will take trades together with the same strategy, nothing different. Because most mentors I discover is that they teach you something but they are not using it, or they have extra things they add. So me, I'll be teaching you what I'm using. All right, thank you so much and have a blessed day.